Ramogi TV.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto ojiwo pinje mosedongore mondo jiwo kenge mag keto mwandu ahinya majiwo lony manyasani e pinje Afrika. Kanolose romo mar adek mag pinje boma ma Beijing mano piny China, jatend piny okoni lony manyasani biro ting'o malo yuto mag pinje Afrika manyaka sani ochung'e atamalo 4.5. E kinde romono, jatend piny William Ruto noketo ayanga okenge ma piny owacho mare oseketo mag neno ni ohala ma itimo e mbui ojiwo kendo kijiwo yuto ma joma tiyo thuru ka.
The transformational impact of the digital economy is tremendous. By facilitating innovation, research, and development, it has sustained the acceleration of technological transformation to such an extent that absolute paradigm shifts have become normalized punctuations to the global rhythm of change and growth. In only a few decades, we have seen the hopeful beginnings of basic computer programming, as well as the latest advances in artificial intelligence and other cutting-edge technologies. The digital economy has disrupted the traditional economy, reorganized many of its sectors, and abolished others while introducing new ones. It has redefined knowledge, education, information and entertainment as goods and services, whilst questioning our assumptions about capital, work, leisure, and productivity.